Hello guys, welcome to Make Money Online Africa. I think I have a fair idea of what you typed in the search bar before getting here. Was it Make Money Online 2022? Or maybe it was How to Make Money Online in Africa. Or it probably was How to Make Money Fast Online, right? Well, we've all searched up that phrase on YouTube at a point in time, which I'm also a victim of. But most often than not, we get disappointed because sometimes you end up watching a video, trying it out, and realize it's not cut out for you, mainly due to geographic restrictions. And by geographic restrictions, I mean living in Africa. Even though there's so many money-making online opportunities for other countries on other continents, Africa ends up being at the end of the stick. So sometimes you spend so much time signing up on different websites and platforms, and in the end you realize it's actually not going to work for you because of where you live. But anyways, I have tested a number of these websites and I have decided to share with you what's worked and did not work for me, to save you the stress and the hustle and bustle later to try to earn a decent amount of money online, especially if you are living in an African country. This ranges from transcription, crowdsourcing, usability testing, PTC, data entry, and reward earning programs. I know you would not want to miss out on this because I definitely wouldn't want to miss out on it. So before you create that account on that Make Money platform website, wait and find out if it's worth it and if you actually should. Also, I would really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And please click on the bell icon to be the first person to receive a notification whenever I upload an important video. And trust me, all the videos I will be uploading are very important. If there are any websites you would want me to check out for you, or anything else you would want me to cover, please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.